If you're using Pipedrive and want to save time on repetitive tasks, automation is a game changer. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Pipedrive automation to streamline your workflow and manage deals more efficiently. First, sign into your Pipedrive account and go to the Tools and Apps or Automations section, depending on your layout. In Pipedrive, automation works using triggers and actions. A trigger is what starts the automation, and an action is what happens automatically after that. Click Create Automation. Then choose a trigger, such as when a deal is created, moved to a stage, or updated. Next, choose an action. For example, you can automatically create a task, send an email, or update a deal field when the trigger happens. You can also add conditions to make your automation more specific. For example, only run it when a deal value is above a certain amount or when it belongs to a specific pipeline. Before saving, test your automation to make sure it works correctly. This helps avoid errors and ensures your workflow runs smoothly. Once everything looks good, activate your automation. From now on, Pipedrive will automatically handle the tasks you defined. You can always return to the automation menu to edit, pause, or delete workflows as your business needs change. And that's how to use Pipedrive automation. So once you set it up properly, it can save you a lot of time and help you focus more on closing deals instead of manual work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.